What's going on, guys? It's Voxel here, bringing you another video. Today, we are playing some Just Cause 2 multiplayer, and we're just gonna have some fun. I'm gonna play around and stuff. Apparently, I can't enter this vehicle right here. This is a nice tank right here. It's a nice tank we got here, boys. But I think we're gonna settle with a different type of vehicle for now, because I'm me. You know what I'm saying? And, we're dead. Look at my body in the corner. This vehicle is owned by Cookie Monster only. Only members and allies can drive this vehicle. Ooh, I can create a faction? Oh my god. Oh no. How do I join a faction? I should probably put patience. Incoming Zilla missile. So, alrighty. Incoming man with a gun. Man down. Okay. So, what we're gonna do here today is we're gonna probably try to get this helicopter. Yay, there we go. And we got missiles and machine guns. Wow. Alright. Whee! Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Whoa. Okay. That works. Alright. So let me check if we can create a faction. Factions plus F8. I have to do backslash. Came up for a second. Backslash E. You can't do that, you're not even in a faction. Well, screw you! Am I not in a faction? Let me do something. Ooh. We're gonna do the mayhem. Oh, okay. That works. Yep, okay. Backslash derby. Oh, great. We're screwed as. Oh! This is now mine. Yeah. I can't shoot. Yeah, oh, I can't shoot at all. Okay. Ooh, shut up and die. Ooh. Skill points. Shift can. Yes. Yes. Woohoo! Back it up. Back it up. To space! To space! To space. Oh god. Ooh, to space! Alright, now I can. Yeah, there we go. Surface in 10 seconds. Altitude. I'm increasing the altitude. Fun. Alright, we're gonna go down to the surface now. And we're gonna stunt jump. Alright. Apparently I'm dead. You have been injured. Okay, thank you for telling me that, game, but I really didn't need to know that at the moment. To space. To space. You have been injured. To space. To goddamn space. Where is the deathmatch zone? You have spawned into Derby. Feature is restricted to the main world on this server. Hi, big fat guy. I love you. Backslash Derby. You have left the Derby. Type Derby to enter at any moment. Wait a minute. Wait. Ah, crap, I'm scared. Alright. Tell me if this can work. Air propulsion. And air propulsion. Yes. Those. Wee. 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 Right. How to blow your enemies away. Ha 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 ha. I'm not funny. Alrighty then, we're gonna give Blue some crap up because, you know, reasons, and I'm me. Because I'm not a person in reasons. Alright. Here's how we're gonna go. You do not have enough money for the Panera rocket launcher. Oh, apparently I have money now. Okay. Well then. Hello, Hydra. What the fudge are you doing? Quad rocket launcher. DLC required. Holy crap. That is a big rocket launcher. Tris. I am the expert mountain climber in this game. I'm a dam operator. I operate on dams, and damn, it's a good life. It's a damn good life. No, that's not the gun I want. Come crack with your muscles. Yes. Yes. You were headshot, I don't think. You do no damage. Why do you do no damage? Ah, there we go. Can you blow up now? I got in here. It's... Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, yes! The stage. Alright, I'm gonna try to send one of these vehicles flying. Yes! It died of natural reasons. There is a guy right here. Somewhere. I didn't even notice it was on the map, to be honest. It's either that or I didn't know that this is a game. This is not a game apparently anymore. This is life. Wait. F7 flashlight slash headlights. H. What the fuck? What is this? I am Batman. Shift for car boost. F3 to hide chat. No, thank you. Thank you very much. Press enter or T to type in chat. Backslash F join Hydra. Actually, no, it box. That faction does not exist. Backslash F join backslash F create voxel. Creating a publication, please. Backslash F list. What the fuck? Backslash F list. Oh my god. Backslash F list. my god. Taco Tuesdays and Party Clan. Backslash F join Taco Tuesdays. You successfully joined Public Faction. You are part of Taco Tuesdays. Okay. You do not deal any damage whatsoever. What? What? That voice crack though. Oh no. Stationary cannon. Balls! Balls! I love balls! Oh my god. Oh my god. Car. Car. Love me. Like you do. Are you a freaking faction vehicle? Of course you are. That's it. This is not a faction vehicle. There you go. Alright, if I can drive this means that this game... Okay, what the hell? To space! To space! What? To space! Yay! Holy crap, we're scared. I just realized that. Okay, bye. Have a good time. Alright, we're more than a kilometer off the ground. Okay. We're gonna set in space. Alright. I should probably go back up now. Because, you know, space. To space. To space it is. Am I being shut down? That'd be funny if I was. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna try stunt jumping. You're gonna and die. Hi, my character. Bye, my character. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh! I'm okay. This is the aftermath. Ow. Slam space in the rock. Ooh, what's this? Bus, come back. Never, I can just do one. You know, let's go troll some peoples. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. That is not a nice helicopter. Let's move, let's move. But now. Is there a blue one? Yes, there is. It's my favorite color. Alrighty. Whoa, alright, we're backing up a bit. Alright, back up a bit here. Oh god. Not even using my controller. Why are you saying use controller? I'm not gonna use my... Whoa! Oh, I get it now. These are different controls. Is my controller on and it's pressing crap? I think that might be a problem. Okay. To space! Oh god. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Is my controller plugged in? It is. Alright, let me try the controller and see if that's any better. You have spawned at the Taco Tuesday's headquarters. Tacos! I like tacos. Alright, this works slightly. How do I aim? Again? Yeah, there we go. Can I throw crap? Oh, cool. Let me get some grenades. DLC weapons. I am not. That worked. Ooh. This is just gonna probably be me just like trying to figure out how to play this game. This is a chair. I like this chair. This is my chair. Chair, can you be my friend? Oh my god, there was a window right here. Whee! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh god. Dun, dun. Well, it's a bus. I like buses. Smack you. Alright guys, we're gonna enter the bus. Now everybody hold on tight. We're gonna go pretty fast, if you know what I'm saying. Because, you know, we are Santa. And Santa gotta go fast. Oh my god. Just space. Space. Okay, so if we were to let go right now, we would be on the ground in about a couple seconds. I'm going to the moon. So yeah, screw you, physics. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. There's fuel in this? What? I have to pay attention to fuel too? Oh god. Let's let go now. What? What did I do? Did I break the game? What did I do?